What if I told you that the most valuable real estate of the 21st century isn't on Earth or even on Mars, but inside the neural networks of artificial intelligence? We stand on the precipice of a change as profound as the Industrial Revolution. Yet honestly, many of us are looking at the stars without noticing the universe of opportunity expanding right here on our home planet. The headlines, shout about robots taking jobs, painting a picture of a bleak, automated future. But that's only one side of a much larger, more fascinating cosmic story. The real story isn't about job loss, it's about job transformation. It's an invitation. It's a call to become the explorers, the pioneers, and the architects of our next great technological epoch. So buckle up. Our journey into the future of work begins now. Let's get one thing straight. Artificial intelligence is not just a smarter calculator, it's a new form of intellectual labor. Think of it less like a machine and more like a new kind of mind, a powerful, alien intelligence that we are just beginning to understand how to communicate with and harness. This fundamental shift is what creates the fertile ground for new jobs. In the past, technology automated physical tasks, like a tractor replacing a horse-drawn plow. Today, AI is automating cognitive tasks like analyzing medical scans or drafting legal documents. This doesn't make human thinkers obsolete, it elevates our role from simple task doers to strategic thinkers, creative directors, ethical overseers. This creation of new professions happens in three main waves. First, we need people to build and maintain the AI itself. Second, we need people to integrate AI into society. Third, we need people to govern and guide the AI. Imagine a powerful genie capable of granting almost any wish, but it only understands a very specific, nuanced language. The AI prompt engineer is the master of this new language. They are not coders in the traditional sense, communicators, artists, psychologists who craft the perfect questions and commands, the prompts, to elicit the desired output from an AI. A poorly worded prompt might yield generic nonsense, but a masterfully crafted one can produce a brilliant marketing campaign, a detailed technical schematic, or a breathtaking piece of art. They experiment relentlessly, refining their prompts through trial and error, a process more akin to sculpting than to programming. Precision of a poet, logic of a programmer, insight of a domain expert. Industries from marketing and entertainment to law and scientific research are clamoring for these AI whisperers. The salary for this role is already reflecting its high value, with experienced prompt engineers in America earning anywhere from $175,000 to over $335,000 annually. This career places human creativity at the center of the AI revolution, the conductor of a symphony of artificial thought. As artificial intelligence becomes woven into the fabric of our daily lives, making decisions about who gets a loan, who is a candidate for a job, how a self-driving car should react in an emergency, a critical question arises: who watches the watchers? The AI ethicist and auditor is part philosopher, part detective, part technologist. Their job is to examine AI systems not just for functionality but for fairness, transparency, moral integrity. They hunt for hidden biases in the data and design tests to reveal them. This is a deep forensic investigation into the soul of the machine, embedding ethics by design rather than patching later. In finance, healthcare, and criminal justice, they ensure automated decisions are fair and just. As regulations tighten, demand and salaries will skyrocket, often $150,000 to $250,000 or more. They are the guardians at the gate, ensuring AI serves the greater good. Step into the warehouse, factory, or hospital of 2025, and you won't see just one or two robots, you'll see a fleet. You'll see dozens, even hundreds of autonomous machines working in a coordinated, complex dance. The person conducting this intricate ballet is the robotics fleet manager. This is a high-level strategist and operations expert, not a wrench-turning mechanic. They optimize performance, manage charging and maintenance schedules, and troubleshoot software glitches. They are the digital shepherd for a flock of intelligent machines, skills, logistics, data analysis, and software management. They reroute traffic on the fly, push fleet updates, and diagnose problems remotely. From logistics and e-commerce to manufacturing, agriculture, and hospitals, this role is indispensable. Salaries typically range from $120,000 to $200,000 depending on scale, the essential human in the loop. The human body is the most complex system in the known universe. It generates a staggering amount of data, our genome, blood tests, and real-time wearables. For centuries, doctors have done their best to interpret this data, but they are only human. Enter the AI-powered healthcare analyst. working alongside doctors and researchers to analyze massive data sets with AI tools. They uncover patterns invisible to the human eye and predict patient risk. Identify the most effective treatment plan based on genetic makeup and accelerate drug discovery. This career demands a hybrid skill set: deep biology knowledge, medicine, physiology, plus data analysis and familiarity with ML tools. You must translate AI outputs into clinical context, turning cold numbers into actionable treatments that save lives. Hospitals, pharma, biotech, and insurance all need these analysts. Starting around $130K, climbing well over $220K for experienced analysts in genomics. A career of immense purpose and impact. A quest to chart the unknown territory of our own biology. Imagine being able to create a photorealistic film scene, a complete musical score, or a stunning piece of visual art, without ever picking up the traditional tools, without ever picking up a camera, an instrument, or a paintbrush. This is the world of the synthetic media artist, directors, painters, composers whose medium is latent space and neural nets. They master GANs, diffusion models, AI music composition software, and more. A good eye for composition, a good ear for music, storytelling, compositing, combining outputs from different models. It's a dialogue between artist and algorithm, entertainment, advertising, gaming, all transformed. This democratizes content creation. A single artist can now achieve what used to require a massive studio. Virtual actors, synthetic worlds for the metaverse, and interactive installations. Salaries range widely. This career redefines art, challenging authorship. Is it the idea or the AI? The answer is both. An artificial intelligence is only as smart as the data it learns from. A brilliant algorithm fed with garbage data will produce garbage results. This gives rise to the AI trainer and data curator, the teachers and librarians for our future AI systems. They don't write the code, but they craft the curriculum the AI studies. For vision models, they label images, cats, dogs, cars, meticulously. For chatbots, they craft and review thousands of sample conversations. Reinforcement learning from human feedback is their tool. Self-driving firms need trainers to label terabytes of video so cars can learn to see. Finance firms curate back-testing data. Social platforms train moderation models. While some labeling is crowdsourced, high-level curation is specialized. Lead curators earn $90K to $160K. They decide what an AI learns, choices that have profound ethical implications. This is the foundation of trustworthy AI. We've journeyed through the cosmos of emerging careers, from artists who paint with data to ethicists who serve as the conscience of the code. The rise of AI isn't a tidal wave to wash us away, but a tide that can lift all boats, if you know how to build your vessel. These jobs are open to the curious, creative, courageous communicators, systems thinkers, artists, and ethicists. The common thread isn't a specific degree, but a mindset. The willingness to learn and adapt. Start small. Sign up for ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other generative platforms. See what they can do. Experiment, watch tutorials, join communities, and learn fundamentals of ML, data analysis, and prompt engineering. Find a niche that fascinates you, AI in healthcare, art, or finance, and connect with practitioners. The future is unfolding now. The greatest barrier is inertia. Be bold, be curious, take the